Actionable Insights Matterport Certified is the only online self-paced training and certification course that teaches you everything you need to know about leveraging Matterport's game-changing technology in the property insurance ecosystem. Matterport's technology and best practices are always evolving, so it's critical to stay up to date on how to get the most out of your investment. That's why we developed the AIMC Continuing Education course. What will you gain from taking this course? You'll learn about the new Matterport features and digital assets, keeping your AIMC designation active for one more year. So let's dive in and explore the AIMC CE curriculum. In the first module, you'll meet Hunter and Lipson, your AIMC guides, who will provide an explanation of what's to come in the course. In Module 2, Watley and Harrison are back, diving into one of the most exciting updates, capturing with iPhones and iPads. That's right, you can now scan properties with iOS devices, and we'll demonstrate the best practices for the new and improved Capture app. Now's a good time to mention that there's a quiz paired with each module. Each quiz consists of a series of questions related to that specific module to test your comprehension of what you just learned. In order to continue to the next module, you must receive a score of 100% on each quiz. Next, Module 3 reviews the Matterport apps and device accessibility. You'll get updates on the ability to now connect Android devices to Matterport cameras and which Matterport apps will work on Androids. Module 4 jumps into Mattertags and the new updates that allow you to edit Mattertags on mobile devices in the field. Module 5 explores a brand new tool that can convert 360 captures into 3D scans, filling in those hard-to-capture outdoor areas. Next, in Module 6, you'll learn about updates to the measurement mode, new snapping features, making your back-end measurements visible in public, and the ability to make measurements on the front end. That means anyone can measure your spaces without needing a Matterport account. Module 7 revisits steep links and how creating shortened links is now a lot quicker and easier. Module 8 is all about TruePlan, Matterport's newest digital asset that automates the entire sketching process for you. Module 9 reviews the new options for sharing and archiving scans. Matterport has made some significant changes to the types of subscription plans they offer, and there is now much greater flexibility in managing your account, setting up spaces, and the new ability to archive scans. Next, Module 10 explores the best practices when it comes to invoicing for scans and digital assets. Matterport's technology and assets are extremely valuable to those settling claims in property insurance. We'll explore that value and discuss the best practices when invoicing for Matterport scans and the related digital assets. This module is critical in understanding what's reasonable, how to set expectations with stakeholders, and making that process as smooth as possible. Module 11 is a quick recap and send-off from Hunter and Lipson before heading into the exam. After passing the exam, you will officially be Actionable Insights Matterport certified for one more year.